Hello, dear Sagittarius. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. So, this is a journal love reading till the end of Feb, and let's tap into a partner's energy and your energy and see what is coming for you till the end of Feb. Okay. So, right now, basically, yeah, your partner's energy right now is the Seven of Pentacles. They are waiting on you, Sagittarius. They are waiting on you to take some action, to say them something to them, to communicate with them, and maybe they are feeling like they have worked on this relationship so hard and they have done everything possible. But now this is your turn to go to them and talk to them and communicate with them. Basically, they are waiting on you very, very harshly, very, very eagerly. I should say so they are waiting on you very very eagerly. They are waiting for the communication that you are not doing with them. Okay. And your energy right now, this is the Eight of Cups energy. So basically you are walking away from this person, you are going away from this person, you are feeling like no, this relationship is no longer worthy of waiting for, worthy of giving your energy for. So basically you are walking away from this relationship or this person because you are not feeling the love, you are not feeling the emotions, you are not feeling the maturity in this relationship. You are feeling this is some kind of major issue in your life that you have to solve, that you have to sort out. Okay. How they see you, they see you as the Hierophant. They see you as a marriage material. They see you as a very very stable person, spiritual person, a very kind hearted person. They feel like they should be committed to you. They want to commit to you. They want a long term relationship with you. They see you as a partner who can give you a stable life. Okay. They feel like you are the right person for them, you are a right marriage material thing for them. They see you as that. How you see them, you see them as a Ace of Wands energy is there. So you see them as a very very passionate person, and you feel like yes, you can feel it that this person wants a new beginning with you. You can feel it from inside. Maybe you're not talking to this person, maybe you're not communicating really well with this person, but deep inside you know that this person wants a new beginning with you, and maybe you are ready to do that. But right now you're in the contemplation phase. Right now you are not in the mood of maybe committing or maybe saying yes to this person. Okay. That is what is happening. What they feel about this relationship right now is the Eight of Swords energy is there. So basically they are feeling like trapped in their own emotions. They are feeling mentally trapped, emotionally trapped. They are feeling like they're not able to move forward in their life because they are stuck on you. They are feeling stuck, and they are feeling blindfolded. They are feeling like they are blinded by their own emotions. Okay. So they are feeling like they don't know which way to go. They don't know how to react to the situation. They don't know how to communicate with you. They don't know how to make you feel comfortable, happy, because what they are feeling is they are feeling bounded with you. They are feeling stuck on you. But you feel about this relationship is the Queen of Swords. You feel like you should gain the mental clarity. You should get the clarity. You are ready to do whatever it takes to be peaceful in your life. All you want, Sagittarius, is peace in your life, a peaceful resolution if it is ending, or a peaceful start if it is starting again. So whatever it is, you are feeling like you need the mental clarity, you need the peaceful resolution with this person. And right now you're in this zone of gaining the clarity. I think you got the clarity, and now you are sticking to your own decision. You took a decision, or maybe you are taking a decision, or on the verge of taking a decision, Sagittarius, and you are sticking to that decision. You are not going to change this decision for anyone else on earth. You are taking the decision, and you are very very clear about what you want in this relationship or what you want from this person, and you are sticking to that. That is a very good thing, Sagittarius. Kudos. Okay. And what they want from this relationship is, this is the Three of Swords energy. They want this relationship, they want to come out of this hurtful situation, they want to come out of this heartbreak, they want to come out of this grieving situation. They are missing you a lot. They are missing the memories. They are missing your maybe your beauty, or they are missing your sweetness or your humbleness, or whatever it is. They are missing you very very badly, Sagittarius, and they want this relationship to work out, and they want to come out of this hurtful zone, this hurtful situation. Maybe they broke your heart, or maybe you broke their heart, or whatever it is. Take it as it resonates. But they want this relationship to work out. They want to come out of this grieving and crying stage and come and hug you and talk to you and communicate with you. This is a very sweet energy. What you want from this relationship? Page of Pentacles energy there is there. You also want a new beginning with this person, but you are not sure. Okay. So Sagittarius, it is kind of energy that I'm picking is that you also want a new relationship, a new beginning with this particular person, a new relationship with this person, a renewed sense of relationship with this person, but you are not sure about this your feelings and their feelings, or you just want to start afresh and see where it will take you both. Okay, so it is like you both want a new start, you both want a new passionate beginning, but you both don't know which way to go, how to communicate, how to tell this to other person. Okay, but you guys have to communicate well for this. Okay, this is happening, Sagittarius. The outcome from their side till the end of Feb is the lovers. Maybe what I can feel is a love offer is coming to you. It is kind of energy that I'm picking from the universe, is that they are going to offer their love to you again. They are going to make you feel like a lover, a prince, a princess, or whatever gender specific is not there. So basically they are going to offer you something long term, because they see you as a long term commitment person, marriage material. So they are going to offer you something that is going to be very very solid, and it can also mean that they are going to make a firm decision about you or about this relationship. This decision can be possibly, I can see that they are going to offer you a stable relationship or a commitment or something like that, and you have to make a choice if you are going to take it or not. Okay, on the other hand, the outcome from your side is the Three of Pentacles energy. You are also ready to do some work, you are also ready to put some effort, put some teamwork in this relationship, and see where this relationship will go in the future. So basically you are not that much invested in this relationship that you used to be. Okay, Sagittarius, this is happening, but you are ready to give the effort, give the energy, give the time to this relationship, because you want to see where it will go in the future. Okay, this is what is happening from both of the partners sides. And the potential for growth for this particular relationship is the Temperance card from the universe. So this card is telling me that you have to balance out all the things before proceeding further in your life. You have to balance your emotion, both of you guys, both of the partners have to balance their emotions, because and you have to check on your tempers, respective tempers. So because both of you are maybe temperamental people, maybe you guys are forcing things on each other, pointing fingers on each other, and that's why this relationship is not working out the way it should be. So that is why the universe is telling me, if you are able to balance your emotion, both of you, then this relationship can work out in the long term. And the guidance from the universe is the king of swords energy. Again, the universe is telling you, the universe is guiding you to be very very clear about your thoughts and about your own limitations and own belief, if what you want from this relationship. You have to be mentally very very clear about this relationship. I know this is a hard game, this is a game of hearts, love and relationship and emotions and all that, but sometimes the mind has to play the game to come out of a situation that is no longer working out. So you have to be very very clear, and you have to cut all the negativity, all the toxicity from this from the past energy, so that you can proceed further in life. So maybe with this person, or maybe with some other person, whatever it is, the universe is guiding you, the universe is telling you to be very very clear about everything in your life, mentally stable, then take a decision. Okay, yeah. I think you guys are no longer talking to each other, you are walking away from each other, or whatever the case is. Another guidance from love oracle is the separation card is there. So the separation card is telling me that there will be sadness, missing out, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of future. Yes, the whole reading is about this only, Sagittarius. So read it aloud for 3-4 times, and you will get the message clearly that what you have to do. Okay, so yeah, your person is missing you, they want to come out of this grief and solitude, and they see you as a long term partner, they want to communicate with you, you also want to communicate with them, but you both are unsure about everything. This is kind of messy energy right now, but yes, open and honest conversation and a mental clarity will bring you what you want in this relationship, Sagittarius. Okay, so yeah, this is all about you, your love life in till end of Feb, Sagittarius. Hope you like it, hope it will give you some clarity about your relationship. So thank you so much for listening, god bless you, namaste. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you.